Maz at Triple C Creations. Hi, it's Maz. We're back now. So, I guess on to part 2 of fixing speedo on the 83 square body. And maybe we fixed it, maybe we didn't. You'll see. Watch the vid, and I'll see you there. Okay. This is what you need. These gauges, you got to be careful. They got this paint on them that reflects off of the light, so they kind of glows in the dark. Reflective paint, and it rubs off easy. If you take, don't use any, harsh cleaners, glass cleaners, stuff like that to have alcohol on them. It'll probably smudge or or take the lettering and numbers right off. So if you're just wanting to get the dust off, just get a duster and carefully dust everything off, and you'd be amazed how fast you can make these gauges look like they were virtually showroom. If you really have to, you can get in there carefully with a rag or something, but this will take most of the dust off. Make sure you don't spin these. You can get in and dust these bulbs too. That one I'm going to need a little cleaner to it. Got a lot of dust on them. Then notice the dash is not very bright. That's what it should be. These bulbs have got a lot of dust burnt on them. Okay. Now, let's see, where was I? Oh, that's right. I wanted. Here. See if we get a drill here so you can make that noise. Okay, I want to see. This thing makes noise. Okay, this is the old one. Should be able to make it make noise. I don't hear it making a noise. It's weird. I wonder if it's that sensor doing that. Really got to give her to get up to 100K. This should be identical to it. Oh, this one's way out of whack. I was waiting, hearing screech out of it. Why is it not screeching now? I want to change it, but I'd like to keep the cruise control working. Or get the cruise control. This one feels way better. It's not moving it as easy. I think the clock spring's weak in this one. There's a little spring wound up, looks like inside a clock. So this to this. Oops. Things are falling apart here. So that seems a lot easier. And for some reason, they never had a pin on these ones. These ones they did. I can't kick it backwards. It actually stops. Weird. So which way do I want to go here? I'm trying to figure out what's making all the noise. It sounds like a dried up bushing. Oh, it's got weights in different places. What is going on with this one? Need something smaller. Boring. Let's get on with it. Don't go out all day. Who wants to watch this? That sounds a lot closer. I think we might have it fixed. I think I want to give that a try. I'm going to put the original one back in again. Give it a shot. This way I can keep my cruise control working too. It's a cruise control. See if I can show this. Right in here, there's a little sensor. A little 3-wire, I guess, in this setup. Little sensor in here that picks up the magnetic. If you can see it closely here, when it goes by, when it spins by, the magnet picks up that steel going by, and the faster it counts it going by, it tells the cruise control how fast we're going. And my cruise control hasn't worked since we got this thing out of the bush, so this thing's not reading right or close enough. Or the sensor could be the shot, actually. Should be a magnet in there. Oh, I see what it is. Sorry, correction. This one doesn't have a magnet. This one, I'll show you later. There is what they call a Hall effects. There's a little, basically like a little camera eye. So when it sees stuff going by it, like a motion sensor on a house spotlight outside, somebody walks by at night and the spotlight comes on, it's got a little motion sensor on it. So when it sees it flipping by, flipping by, flipping by, it counts how many times it goes by. Okay, let's quickly put these gauges back together, and then we're going to take the truck out and then test out this speedo, and we'll just give her and see if it's even remotely even close. Okay. Let's see if the noise is at least gone away in that speedometer. I hope so. The speedometer's still working. There's no pin on it, they spin around backwards. On to you here. I don't hear anything yet. So far. Oh, I think we might have got her. Seems pretty accurate. I'll have to put the GPS on it to make sure. I think we might got her. I think we got away with the factory speedo. I'm liking it. No noise. Awesome. Here, and we'll turn around and head back and put her back together. We'll do a little quick test with the GPS. I think I got her. That's awesome. I like that. And my indicator works. Turn signal work? Turn signal work? Yeah. Win, win, win here. We're having a good day. Eventually, we're going to get her back to what she used to be. And maybe even better. Fix some of the quirks I didn't like about this truck, like these windy vent windows from the day it was brand new screeched. See, somebody's jammed a bunch of tissues or paper towel in there. I remember this thing right from brand new. This thing would whistle all the time out this vent window. That'd be perfect. Oh, almost lost you there. Let's put her back together and let's try her again. Park her back in the sun so we can stay nice and warm. Win-win. Cool. I like it. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Tell me if there's something you'd liked or didn't like about it. Either way. But it's getting late at night here. It's like about a day or two after. We got the 83 fixed up. We got the speedo working decent now. It's a good thing we put the hot rod truck away. I don't know if you can hear the wind outside. We'll sit there and see if we can show you. Let's hold on a sec here. Look, there's snow out here. My camper's under a blow, under snow, and yeah, everything's getting covered up here. Let's take a quick walk out here. These trucks put away in our shed. Whew. It is windy out here. We got stuff pushed away here. One project's parked away, black and white. We got the engine nut wrapped up tight for the winter, sitting on its clean frame. Got the Chevelle sitting here. Yeah. So, oh, perfect timing. The train's coming. Wouldn't want to get through a video without the train, now would we? So, I'm going to head back in where the shop's actually warm. At least there's heat in there. And I'll wrap this up. Oh, look at this. There's snow. Well, I guess that means that's it for outside. We've only got a few days here and there. So anyways, hope you liked the video. I'm going to try to... I'm going to try shorten up some of these videos. I don't want to end up... Oh, these lights. Try to shorten up these videos. And, train saying hi. And then I'm going to shorten them up a little bit. And I'm going to maybe try to upload maybe 2 vids. And I also was going to start trying to put down the odd short video. Little short videos of little... fix-it jobs, things you could do on your own, kind of like a budget fix. Little hints, little things I've picked up over the years. If I stumble on something or somebody else got a good idea, I'll relay it. I'll try out their idea, see if it works, see if I can improve on it. If not, either way. So yeah, that's our idea. So hope you enjoyed the video. Click the like. I don't know if it's on this side or this side. I think it's this side. The bell icon. It'll give you notifications of any of the uploads. I'm going to try to possibly do 2 or more uploads in a week. Probably 2. Maybe some short vids. I'll start trying that to see what you think. And I have some more projects in the shop, smaller ones, bigger ones. So yeah, that's it. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and we'll see you to the next video. Bye.